Welcome back, learners. In today's class, we are going to look at how to perform combined operation involving division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So let us consider this. You can see we have multiplication, subtraction, division, and addition. So it is not very wise to start with the way they have been arranged. So we are going to assess. We are going to do some assessment. And now allow me to introduce you to a certain concept called body mass. Body mass. So body mass. We are not interested in this. This BO. BO simply stands for bracket and then O is off. So in full, it is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So the order here will start with division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. Of course, we have division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So I think we are good to start. So what are we dividing? We have 3 over 8 times 2 over 3. I'm just rewriting minus 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 3 plus 5 over 12. So the first one is division. What are we dividing? We are dividing this one. 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 3. So 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 3. What does that give us? So 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 3 is like 1 over 6 times 3 over 1. So that one gives us half. That one gives us half. That one gives us half. So the next one is now multiplication. So 3 over 8 times 2 over 3. That one gives us 3 cancels 3. 2 here, 1 here, 4. That gives us a quarter. That gives us a quarter. So let us rewrite 3 over 8 times 2 over 3 is quarter. Then of course minus. Here we found it was half. Then now plus 5 over 12. So LCM again. LCM. So the LCM of 4, 2, and 12 is 12. So 4 goes to 12 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3 minus. 2 goes into 12 how many times? 6 times. So 6 times 1. So it is just 6. Then plus 12 goes to 12 1 times. Then 1 times 5, you get 5. And so 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 5 is 2. So you get to answer as 2 over 12, which is 1 over 6. Which is 1 over 6. So 1 over 6 is our answer. 1 over 6 is our answer. 1 over 6 is our answer. So let us consider example 2. Consider scenario 2. We're going to consider scenario 2. And now here we have 2 quarters. We have 2 quarters times 1 and 1 over 3 plus 3 and 1 over 2 Divide by 1 and 1 over 6 minus 1 and 1 over 5. Looks very, very difficult. Looks very, very difficult, but it's not. Looks very, very difficult, but it's not. So we have 2 quarters times 1 part plus 3 halves divided by 1 set minus 1 and 1 over 5. 1 and 1 over 5. So I said, what is that? So you come and write here bottomers. We are not interested with the people. So division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So we rewrite 2 and 1 over 4 is 1 and 1 over 3 plus 3 and 1 over 2 divide by 1 and 1 over 6 minus 1 and 1 over 5. So division, what do we divide? We divide here. So division is 3 and 1 over 2 divided by 1 and 1 over 6. So for us to divide this, we're going to write it in proper form. So 2 by 3 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7 over 2 divided by 6 by 1 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7 over 6, 7 over 6. Then we proceed on. So 7 over 2 times now the reciprocal times now 6 over 7 to get 3. What have I done here? When we are dividing, when we have been asked to divide, to introduce multiplication, you reverse the position. Of course, what you simply do is just you reciprocate. So 3 and a half divided by 1 and 1 over 6, 7 over 2 divided by 7 over 6. So when I introduce multiplication here, 6 goes up and 7 comes down. So you have 7 over 2 times 6 over 7. So 7 goes with 7, they cancel out. So I'm left with 2 here and 6. So 2 here, 1 here, 3. And that's why my answer is 3. So the whole of this thing, my answer here is 3. The whole of this, the answer is now 3. So I'm done with the division. I'm going to multiplication. So multiplication, what am I multiplying? This and this. So I have 2 and the quarters and 1 and 1 over 3. The same thing. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. Times 3 times 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 over 3. So 4 cancels 4. 3 are 1, 3 are 3. I get 3 again. I'm done with multiplication. I'm going to addition then subtraction. So what am I adding? The answer here is 3. The answer here is 3 plus. What about the answer here? 3 again. Good. Then minus 1 and 1 over 5. 1 and 1 over 5. 1 and 1 over 5. So, good. What do? I said here, we can decide to have the whole numbers together. So I have 3 plus 3 minus 1. 3 plus 3 minus 1. So plus, of course, 1 over 5. So minus 1 over 5. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5 minus 1 over 5. 5 minus 1 over 5. I feel this is going to confuse some of us. I'll explain it later. Let us use this, please. So 3 means it is 3 over 1, right? This 3 also means it is 3 over 1. So again, write this one in terms of proper fraction. So I have 3 over 1 plus 3 over 1 minus 5 by 1 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6 over 5. 6 over 5. So minus, up to this point, let's go slowly. Let's not get confused. So we say here, we are really done with division, multiplication. Now the next step is addition. So addition, 3 plus 3, you get 6. 3 plus 3, you get 6. Now 6 minus, this one is also 5 by 1. 5 plus 1, 6 over 5. 6 over 5. So 6, all numbers are always over 1, but we assume. So this is 6 over 1 minus this. So LCM is 5. So 1 into 5 times 6 is 30 minus 5 into 5, 1. 1 times 6, 6. So 30 minus 6, you get 24 over 5. And 5 goes into 24 how many times? So many times? 4 times. Bringing 20. Remainder 4 over 5. Remainder 4, 5. Simple. Now, let me repeat what we have done. We have 2 and 1 over 4 times 1 and 1 over 3 plus 3 and 1 over 2 divided by 1 and 1 over 6 minus 1 and 1 over 5. How we have to get up there? So, we introduced the idea of mod mass, but we are only interested to use D, which stands for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So that is the order that we are going to follow. Now, so we are starting with division. What are we dividing? We are dividing 3 and 1 over 2 divided by 1 and 1 over 6. 3 and 1 over 2 divided by 1 and 1 over 6. And so, we write it into proper fraction. So proper fraction, again, done as you remember. 2 by 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So over 2 is 1. Divided by, this is division. This is division. Divide by. Beautiful. Right, right. 1 and 1 over 6 is 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7 over 6. Good. So for us to solve this, we introduce multiplication. So when we introduce multiplication, what happens is that 6 goes up and 7 comes back. We reciprocate. When we introduce multiplication, we simply reciprocate the second term. So when we do that, 7 will cancel 7, and 2 goes here 1, here 3, and we get our answer there as 3. So this 3 is the answer for the division part, the D here, 3. I've written it here for you to be able to see. Then, now, after division, I go to multiplication. What am I multiplying? I'm multiplying 2 quarters by 1 third. 2 and 1 over 4 being multiplied by 1 and 1 over 3. The same thing, I write my mixed fraction into proper fraction. So 4 by 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 over 4. Here is 9 over 4 times 1 and 1 over 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 over 3 here. Then I get 3. So this is the answer for multiplication part. So I have now 3. I have 3 for multiplication, 3 for division. So 3 plus 3 minus now the last part. Minus now 1 and 1 over 5. But after multiplication, I go to addition. So I will perform the addition on 3 plus 3 first. I get 6. Then I subtract minus this 1 and 1 over 5 is 6 over 5. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 over 1 minus 6 over 5. Again, remember I said while doing operation and fraction, the first thing before you do that, you have to look for the LCM for the denominator. So the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So you ask yourself, how many times does 1 goes into 5? So it goes 5 times. So 5 times 6. So 5 times 6, you get 30 minus 5 again into 5. 5 goes into 5 1 times. So 1 times 6 again, you get 6. So 30 minus 6 is 24 over 5. 24 over 5. You don't take the answer at that point. You have to evaluate it explicitly and leave your answer into its most simplified form. Good. My learners, you can try your revision during your free time and let me have the answer in the comment section. You can try this. You can try 3 over 10 exercise. 3 over 10 times 2 over 5 divided by 8 over 15 plus 5 over 6 minus 1 over 3, and then the second one 1 and 5 over 8, 1 and 5 over 8 times 1 over 12 divided by 2 and 1 over 6 minus 1 and 1 over 2 plus 3 and 1 over 4. Try that one, try those two. Let me see the answers in the comment section.